Okay, I just took 4 batteries randomly out of the garage. The 4 voltages that I had was 3.5, 9.2, 11.8, and 5.6. I just connected them so they are 24 volts, 2 sets of 24 volts. Just got done connecting all the wires. Across the whole battery bank, I'm at 3.4 average. Now I have this connected to a wind generator that I just refurbished. It's doing alright. We're going to have it crank it up some good power here in a little bit. I just have a little wire running through right now to the inside. It's going to be just fine. I'll let you know more. I got to find an inverter. Power tools going on. I got to find an inverter to run on this, and I want it grid tied. So whenever the wind's blowing, it's going right into my outlet. In case there's a storm and we lose power, at least I'm going to have a little bit of a battery bank going on. I have numerous batteries that have to be tested and hooked up. I have to still test all of these batteries to see if they're still good. They will take a charge, but I'm going to have a load on them to see if each individual battery will give me power. All right, signing off.